Maintaining a healthy diet is essential for overall well-being, and consuming low-calorie foods can help with weight control, improved mood, and overall health. Let's explore some of the best low-calorie foods that can support your journey to a healthier lifestyle. Soup is a great option as it fills you up for longer with minimal calories and fat. You can make it with almost any ingredients, making it a versatile, nutritious option. Oatmeal. A cup of oatmeal cooked in water has only 150 calories. Add plain non-fat. Greek yogurt to increase protein content without adding many extra calories. This can help you stay fuller for longer. Chia seeds. Just 1 tablespoon of chia seeds adds 60 calories and helps keep you full. They are also great for tissue growth and repair and even improve skin and hair. Lemons. A medium lemon contains just 20 calories. Start your day with lemon water to boost energy, digestion, and promote calorie burning for weight loss. Apples are low in calories and high in fiber. They make a great snack, helping with weight loss as most of the calories are burned up during digestion. Watermelon is over 95% water, making it a refreshing snack. At just 30 calories per 100 grams, it's a great source of amino acids that help burn fat. Spinach is a true superfood, with just 7 calories per cup. Packed with essential vitamins and folate, spinach helps keep your skin glowing, your body relaxed, and promotes weight loss. Incorporating these low-calorie foods into your diet can help you achieve your health goals while keeping your calorie intake in check. Remember, moderation is key, and it's important to focus on clean, nutritious foods. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips. Let us know in the comments which low-calorie food is your favorite.